Hey, my name is Steve, and like a lot of people out there, we are into backyard gardening. And this is the Delxo 7-gallon potato grow bags. We have several of these in our backyard, and we've got a nice potato growing in it. Just wanted to show it to you in case you were interested in some self-sustaining backyard gardening like we are. These things are pretty amazing, actually. Super high quality. Now my wife has it filled with all kind of potting soil and mulch and all of her secret ingredients, and there's a really nice potato plant we've got growing. The bags themselves, one of the things I really like about them is, first of all, they're high quality. Let me kind of show you a close-up. The material is good stuff. They give you a handle on each side so you can pick it up and move it, you know, to wherever you want to. And they also have this right here. This is the secret ingredient. On the bag itself, they give you this little flap right here, and that will allow you to open it and to get your potatoes, harvest those, and then you can close that back up. I'm not going to open it right now because I don't think you're really supposed to open it until your potatoes are ready, so don't want my wife coming down on me for doing that. But yeah, these things are neat. You can water them, you know, and all the excess water will drain out. So these are great if you are into backyard gardening. So if you're looking at this product, I hope you found this video helpful.